Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Get ready to master the art of crab curry cooking at Mama's Routine. We make it easier. It's Indian crabs curry in no time. With our easy to follow recipe, you will be able to cook delicious carb curries and impress your friends and family. Join our growing community of home chefs and discover the secret to cooking the best Indian crabs curry. Follow us now and start learning how to cook delicious crabs curry dish today. The crab must first be cleaned. Then slices in half. The ingredients include 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, green chilies, tomato paste, parsley, curry leaf, and tamarind paste. Note: make paste with ginger, garlic, and green chili. Make a paste separately with tomato and parsley leaves. Take a large pan and add a small bit of oil. Add the onion and wait till it turns golden. Add the curry leaf and ginger garlic paste. Then add tomato and parsley paste. Add 1 teaspoon each of salt, red chili powder. Then add half teaspoon each of dry lemon powder, turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon garam masala. Then add the tomato paste packet. Add turmeric paste and then mix it well. Pour in enough water. Then add the crabs. That's it. Wait for 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I hope you all smell it. It's really yum. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, and like. Have a good day.